Welcome to yet another video on Power BI. In this video, we're going to talk about cards, KPIs, and multi-row cards. So let's go to Power BI desktop. So if you see a typical dashboard, sometimes on top of it, you will see these numbers highlighted. These are what we call as cards. We can create these cards and adjust their shape and size using Power BI very easily. We can also create multi-row cards if we have to show more information. And then we also have these KPI cards. So let's see how we can create them one by one. So for this, we're going to use the India population data, and let's start with the card. So we can take whatever size we want for this card and just drop the value which you want to show. For example, we want to show population over here. So I have just dropped population over here. Likewise, I can just copy this, Control C and Control V. That's the easiest way to do. And then just adjust it over here and then change this value from population to, let's say this time, literacy. Now literacy is going to be a percentage, so we'll take an average here. And this way we get a card for literacy, and we can add a more like this. So this way you can create a card. Now, if we want to create a multi-row card, so what we can do is let's stick with this population card, and we can just adjust the size, and then we change it to multi-row card. So, and then because we want let's say state-wise population here, so we can create a multi-row card like this, wherein we have population across different states, right? Or just to make it a little easier to have a look at it, let's just make it a region-wise multi-row card. So this way you can create a multi-row card. Next is your KPI. Now for KPI, let's create another sheet and bring in the KPI canvas. KPI, as the name suggests, is a key performance indicator. So for example, let's take this other data set where we have the stock data. So across a specific date, we have this stock information, right? So if I take stock 1 and see how it is performing across different date values, so we get this kind of a chart, right? So this basically means that we are at this value for this parameter, which is the stock. So this is the stock price, and this is the performance measurement if we have to measure the performance of a stock. Further, if we want to set a target for this, let's say this is the price and we are looking for a specific target for the stock. Let's say it's depicted in this stock, so we just add stock 2 and we get this goal over here, and we also see how far we are from the score. So this way we can create the KPI chart, and again we can add this chart on top of our dashboards just to show different KPIs and their performances. So that was all about cards, multi-row cards, and KPIs. If you like our video, do subscribe to our channel and like and comment under our video. Thank you so much. This is Manu from Claymatrix Data Labs.